Are you feeling weak? Is your throat feeling sore? This besansheera drink will boost your energy and immunity for recovery. Put some ghee and then add besan to it. Besan gives your body strength and ghee will help you in digestion. Start roasting it until you watch 50 shades of besan. Add milk to the mixture and then mix it. Then add elaichi for extra flavor. Add turmeric. Once this starts to boil, then turn off the gas. Add jaggery, it's a natural sweetener better than refined sugar. Mix it and then serve this healthiest drink of the world. Wow! Drink in winters or in any season you like. Cheers!